Hello and welcome to my Sunday farm. So today we have a haul, and in this haul is a bunch of Kroger things, as you can see. And I actually paid about $25. So it's over here. I paid 25. You can read right here. 25.98. Right, and then it says coupon savings 90 cents. Total items sold was 10. So I think that's pretty good. It tells me right here I saved 90 cents, right? So let's get into it. The first thing I obviously bought was my sandwich stuff because that's like my lunch. And I have to have healthy lunch. And so I bought this wheat bread, and it's pretty decent. Like, it's really good bread. I use it for everything. And I cook French toast, sandwiches, you name it. Even just, instead of a roll or something, I eat a piece of bread. Here's the meat that I eat with my sandwich. This is bar S. That's actually $1.19. This is $1.89. And you get, it says about 14 sandwiches for 1 pound of bologna. $1.89 is pretty good. Now, the cheese that I use is Heritage Farms, and this was on sale for $1.89 as well. And it comes with 16 slices, so it makes just as much as this, and then 2 grilled cheese or something. So that's pretty good. I mean, considering this is what a $5 lunch for 2 weeks. Another thing that I found was this macaroni and cheese. It's Smart Way. I guess it's store brand, but it's 59 cents this week. It's 59 cents, and I bought one. And let's see. Another side that I got was this sauced veggies because I want to make beef stew and I need some vegetables in it. So this is potatoes, sugar snap peas, and red peppers. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. If I do, I'll probably throw in some green beans or something real hearty. So there's that. And then like these are like 99 cents. It's a really good deal because they already come sauced. Like, this is 0 carb. It has 60 calories per 2 tortillas. It comes out to 30 calories per taco. Or if you eat it like you eat bread, it's 30 calories per tortilla. And these are Carb Counter La Banderita. These are really good. You can get these, I think, at the dollar store. But this comes with 14. And for under $2, I mean, that was a really good buy. Like, this is a steal. Now, this stuff I saw on clearance, like discount. So this used to be $3.59, right? So it's plant-based milk, 173, and really good, 80 calories per serving. And then the meat, I found meat, pork loin filet, teriyaki flavored, $3.15. I don't know how much this originally is, but I can guarantee you it's kind of expensive. I also found this new product. This is usually $20, and it was reduced to $6.30. This is beef skirt steak marinated for carne asada. So that was really cool. Look at these. Comes with lemons. And so, I mean, buying this like almost paid for everything. This and my lunch alone paid for everything. And this is $2.70. Usually it's $9. This is a chantilly cake square. It's made with real berries inside of it. It's a layered cake. It almost looks like tres leches, but it's a slice, and it's got whipped cream, and it's vanilla flavored cake. So watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul video, and I'll see you in the next one. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. My Sunday friend. Bye bye.